The Neewer 13-inch LED light kit offers impressive versatility with its bicolor LED light, allowing you to easily adjust the color temperature from 3,200 to 5,600 Kelvin for precise lighting control. Equipped with high-performance LEDs, the light panel ensures accurate color rendition with a high CRI of 97+, making it perfect for high-definition video and photography work. The ultra-thin LED screen, weighing only 1.3 pounds, is lightweight and portable, featuring an easy-to-read LCD display that shows vital information such as color temperature and battery status. Featuring a built-in 8,000 milliampere-hour battery, the kit provides up to 90 minutes of continuous lighting, with the option to use the included power adapter for quick charging. The sturdy 70-inch light stand, made from high-quality aluminum alloy, offers exceptional strength and stability, supporting heavy-duty work with ease. This kit is widely compatible with a standard cold shoe and 1/4-inch thread, allowing it to be easily installed on DSLR cameras, camcorders, tripods, and more, with an adjustable angle for flexible shooting.